So we're installing two big garage doors. We're installing the linear frames here today, and as you can see, getting them off the van, they are quite wide. So these two doors will probably take us all day. We will be here for the rest of the day. Yeah, it should be fun, but it should be a challenge.
I've used Cattell now 4 times here. This is the 5th time, and my daughter has used them twice in her house. I wanted an upgrade on warmth, draft exclusion. We'd already placed the windows and other doors in the house, and we wanted to maintain the same material and style with the garage door replacement. The replacement windows that Cattell have fitted to the rest of the house have improved the warmth of the house, saved money on heating, and altogether a lot easier to maintain. The team today, which have been here before, have been first rate, excellent, very efficient, service good and minimal disruption. Cattell kept me informed during the process, the order process going through to the installation. I did visit the Cattell showroom twice at the beginning. I would recommend people visit it. There's plenty of product there, and for me it's quite local. Efficient, quality and value. I would recommend Cattell, yes, definitely.